Welcome back to the channel, Coin and Currency Enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly exciting that could be hiding in your wallet or collection right now. We are diving into the fascinating world of United States paper currency to explore an incredible and rare find. The United States of America $1 bill from the 1995 series with the star serial number J05812087*. This note, even in fine condition, is making waves in the collector's market. With its rarity and historical significance, it is no surprise that this note is gaining major attention, and its value in the auction market today might just surprise you. The 1995 series of the $1 Federal Reserve notes marks a fascinating period in United States currency history. Printed under the authority of the United States Treasury and distributed by the Federal Reserve, these notes were produced at a time when star notes played a key role in maintaining quality control in the money supply. Whenever a misprinted or damaged note was detected, a replacement was printed, and that is where the famous star notes come in. These are marked by an asterisk or star at the end of the serial number, like the one we are showcasing today. Each star note has a story to tell, representing a corrected error from the original print run, which makes them incredibly unique and sought after by collectors across the world. This specific note, bearing the serial number J05812087*, is nothing short of a treasure. The star at the end is the highlight here, signaling it is a replacement note. The J prefix indicates that it was issued by the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City, adding another layer of appeal to collectors who chase notes from specific banks. Combined with the relatively low serial number, this note becomes a standout among millions of ordinary bills. The 1995 series also maintains the classic design featuring George Washington's portrait and the Great Seal of the United States on the reverse side, design elements that remain iconic and deeply rooted in American history. What really drives up the value of this 1,995 star note is its rarity and the growing demand among paper currency collectors. Star notes make up a very small percentage of total printed notes, and many of them never survive long enough in decent condition. That is why finding a 1995 star note like this one in fine condition is such a significant event. Collectors highly value notes from specific series and Federal Reserve districts, and this note checks all the right boxes. As time passes, these notes become even harder to find, and the demand continues to skyrocket. The combination of a relatively early star series, a clean serial number, and the Kansas City Reserve Bank issue creates a perfect storm for collector interest. Let's talk about what everyone wants to know: the value. This star note, with serial number J05812087* and in fine condition, can command a strong price in the collector market. As of today, auctions and private sales, similar notes have fetched anywhere from $120,000, depending on buyer demand and the overall appeal of the note. And prices are only going up as more collectors seek to complete their star note collections. Online auction platforms, currency dealers, and collectors' forums are buzzing with activity around rare 1995 series star notes. It is no longer just a piece of paper, it is a historical artifact with monetary and collectible value that continues to appreciate over time. If you are looking to start collecting or are already on the hunt for valuable paper money, notes like this 1,995 star bill are excellent pieces to target. Always pay close attention to the serial numbers. Star notes are key indicators of rarity. Keep your notes stored properly in protective sleeves to maintain their condition and value. And when buying or selling, consider consulting with experienced dealers or checking trusted auction platforms to get the best value. Joining collector communities and staying informed about market trends can also help you discover hidden gems and avoid missing out on opportunities like this one. So there you have it, the 1995 United States of America $1 star note with serial number J05812087* isn't just a piece of currency. It's a valuable collectible with a growing market demand. From its historical roots as a replacement note to its modern-day significance as a prized collector's item, This note embodies the excitement and potential of currency collecting. Whether you are a seasoned collector or just beginning your journey, notes like these offer both historical insight and impressive financial value. Keep your eyes open. You never know what treasures you might find in your wallet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare currency, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible discoveries. Until next time, happy collecting.